Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy Bitcoin on Coinbase. First, you'll need to create an account. Use your email and a strong, unique password. Next, verify your identity by providing the necessary personal information and documents. This is a crucial step for security and compliance. Finally, link a payment method like your bank account or a debit card to your new Coinbase account. Once your account is set up, you'll need to fund it. Navigate to the deposit section and choose your linked payment method. For larger amounts, bank transfers are often the most cost-effective option, though they might take a few business days. If you need to buy Bitcoin immediately, a debit card deposit is instant, but be aware of potentially higher transaction fees. With funds in your account, you're ready to buy Bitcoin. Head to the buy/sell section on the Coinbase app or website. Select Bitcoin from the list of available cryptocurrencies and enter the amount you want to purchase, either in fiat currency or Bitcoin units. Always review the transaction details carefully, including any associated fees, before you confirm your order. After buying Bitcoin, securing your investment is paramount. Always enable two-factor authentication on your Coinbase account for an extra layer of protection. For larger holdings, consider moving your Bitcoin to a hardware wallet, which offers offline storage and superior security. And speaking of upgrades, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to upgrade your home.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.